Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply convert your cryptocurrency to cash on Binance. It's an easy process. Your first step and the most important step is to have an account on Binance. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, once you register and verify your account, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you do that. So guys, once you've logged in with your verified account, head over to the wallet section on the bottom right corner of the screen so you can have an overview of your balance and how much currency you have. As you can see here, I've got some Tron, so we're going to be working with this Tron for this video. This video applies to any other cryptocurrency asset that is listable and tradable on Binance. So now head over to the home section, and once at the home section, select the P2P, seeing as that's where our cryptocurrency is going to be converted to cash. As you can see here, both cryptocurrencies and fiat tokens are here. The USDT, Bitcoin, FDUSD, FDUSD, BNB, Ethereum, NGN, Solana, and the BUSD. So I'm going to be converting my Tron into the Bitcoin so I can sell it on the P2P menu. And to do this, I head back to the home section. Once I'm at the home section, the convert option, which is here, click on this. And where we have from to, as you can see, it's already selected Bitcoin. In case it's not Bitcoin, simply search for BTC. Click on BTC, click on Max, click on Preview Conversion, and then convert. So now once we've been able to convert our Tron to Bitcoin, all you need to do now is simply head back to the P2P and select the sell option, which is just here, sell. And once you've done that, select the sell. One thing you need to note, guys, is any of these cryptocurrency assets here and both the fiat assets here can be bought or sold depending on how much of the tokens you have to sell or how much of the tokens you wish to buy. So if you're using Bitcoin, it works the same. If you're using USDT, it works the same. So select the Bitcoin, click on the sell option. Once you've selected sell, enter the amount of Bitcoin you have, select your payment method, which could be any of these payment methods, click on sell with 0 fees, and it's done. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can convert cryptocurrency to cash on Binance, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.